Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So it's week number 7 actually for the home organizational challenge, about midway through, and as you can tell, I'm a little bit behind. I am actually working on week number 6 because I was out of town for a few days for a work trip, and I'm back now. So I'm going to be working on week number 6 and 7 at the same time, because week number 7 is the master closet. So there's not a lot to do in there. There are a few things, but while I am working in that space, I'm also going to jump back and work on week number 6, the master bedroom. So here's my checklist. We have to prepare, to sort, and to clean. And for those of you, if you're new to my channel, this is the 14-week home organization challenge sponsored by Tony Hammersley over at A Bowl Full of Lemons. I will link in the description box the challenge kit, which gives you the 14 weeks. As well as everything you're going to be doing on those weeks, and I will also link the Facebook page. Here's what I'm going to be working on. So she says under prepare, you're going to find 5 laundry baskets. One's a keep, trash, donate, clothes, and other. Everything you're going to keep that stays in the room goes in the keep basket. Things that goes in the trash or to recycle. Then you need a basket for donating, things that you're going to donate to someone or to the Goodwill, Salvation Army, whatever you have in your area. Clothes, all clothes that stay in the room. Again, I'm not working in my closet, so I will not. I have a dresser in there. I may do a little something here, but I may save that to the end of the week. Then other, everything that goes into another room in the house. And we may have some of those. I'm not real sure. I think we do have a couple baskets in the garage, and we'll see what we have. Then she wants us to sort, so I'm going to concentrate on one hot spot at a time. A couple of hot spots in my room are my vanity or my makeup table and the dresser where my TV is. So those are a couple of things that I'm going to be working on. She says under the bed, pull everything out and sort into baskets. I don't have anything under the bed, but I'm going to try to rework my bed so that it is turned in a different direction, and I'm going to move my dresser. My little bedside dresser. The dresser drawers, it says pull everything out, all your clothes, and empty those onto the bed. I'm going to go through those. I just have some stuff that is just, it needs to go, or I need to put things in the dresser. I have some empty drawers, and then I have a lot of things in my master closet that could actually go into the dresser. The nightstand, it says empty one drawer at a time. I actually just did the nightstand, so I'm really not going to focus too much on that. I'm just going to wipe it down and move it. The dresser top, clean it off, go through each item. The only thing I have on there is my internet modem and the TV. So it's just dusting there. And then it says all other hot spots in the room, we're going to use the basket system. And then it tells me some things that I need to be cleaning. So I'm going to clean the windows, the blinds, and the mirrors, wipe down any doors. We're going to work on some baseboards and doorknobs and switch plates tonight. Dust the dresser and nightstand. I'm going to vacuum. I am going to probably change my bed linens and wash those, and then vacuum the mattress and flip the mattress. I'm not sure if I will do. I'm not going to flip it, but I may vacuum it. I'm going to wash all of the bed linens and pillow sheets, and then do the ceiling fan. And then once the room is clean, I'm going to organize things where they need to go. I will not be doing any shopping for this bedroom, so there's no shopping list, and everything that is my to-do is already listed here. So we just thought we would bring you along as we work in the bedroom. I'm probably going to do about an hour tonight, and I'll do a little bit more as the week goes along. So come along with us as we work in week number 6, and it's actually also tomorrow will be zone 4 for Fly Lady, which is the master bedroom and bath. So I'm kind of merging jobs here where I'm doing Fly Lady and home organization. So we will see you as we get in there. Okay, everybody, so I am back. I probably was at it for about an hour and a half, maybe a little bit more, not quite 2 hours. But I just want to let you know what we did. So we concentrated on one hotspot at a time. We emptied everything. So the spaces that we had are the vanity table, the dresser where the TV is, and the bedside table. So all of those were decluttered, wiped down. We moved the bed. I don't keep anything under the bed because that's where Grace usually sleeps. But she had quite a bit of her treasures under the bed. So we did move everything, and were able to pick up pieces from a pillow she destroyed and just vacuumed under there and got all that situated. So the sorting was done. Under the bed was done. The dresser drawers I had done previously, but we did wipe down the nightstand. Oh no, I didn't do the dresser. Okay, so dresser drawers I still have to do. Sorry. Nightstand is done. The dresser drawers are not done, but I will do that when I work on the master closet. The dresser top we did clean. There's nothing on there except the TV and the modem for the internet, but we did dust with a wet duster and got all of that. We don't really have any other hot spots in the room other than those. So the windows and the blinds, I still need to work on windows and blinds, but I got the mirrors. We wiped down the doors, the baseboards, the doorknobs. So we got this done. We dusted the dresser and the nightstand. I vacuumed 3 different times with 2 different vacuums. I have the bed linens going. The curtains will not be washed, and I'm not washing the bed skirt because it's not one of those high quality ones. And I will probably do the curtains when it is about spring clean time. I did not vacuum the mattress because I have a mattress cover on top, so we did not have to do that part. The pillows, the sheets, and the comforters. My sheets and pillow sheets are already in the washer. Comforters I did not do, and again, I'll do those right around spring clean because I'll change things out for the season. The ceiling fan, you guys, can I just tell you, the ceiling fan made me want to revoke my own cleaning card. Horrible, 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 just horrible, the end. But I did get it cleaned. It was horrible, but it is cleaned. And the room looks really good. I did put on different sheets, and I bought a new blanket spread for the end of the bed. So we're just going to take you for a walkthrough of what everything looks like now. We hope that you enjoy what you see. We hope that you're motivated to do a little bit of something. Doesn't have to be perfect. If you can only do 2 or 3 things on the list, do those 2 or 3 things. But anyway, we're working through our list slowly but surely, and we appreciate you coming along with us. So we're going to give you a room tour, but before we do, we just want to thank you so much for stopping by our channel. If you like this video, be sure and give us a thumbs up. If you're enjoying this home organization series sponsored by Tony Hammersley over at A Bowl Full of Lemons, be sure and give us a thumbs up. If you are involved in the challenge and you're working your spaces, let us know what you're doing. Leave us a comment below. If you're new around here, hit the red subscribe button. We love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. And also hit the little bell. That way you never miss an upload from us. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel. And until the next cleaning project, bye.